Hello everyone and welcome to the course of process mapping. If you ever struggle of how workflows works in a business and how to clearly visualize the process from start to end, you are in the right place. If you are a student, working professional, process designer or a business analyst, this course is absolutely for you because this will give you real world examples of how we can apply these skills into the organizations. We will be starting from the absolutely basics on why the process mapping matters and how we can apply that skills in real life scenarios. And step by step moving forward, we will be moving to the advanced level where we will be understanding how we can apply these process mappings and how we can design these in a very complex and a better way. At the end of this course, you won't just understand what the process mapping is, you will be applying that process mapping skills in your project. For this course, no prior experience is required and I will be guiding you from step to step that how we can learn and how we can understand the process mapping from very basics and how we can take the skills to the advanced level. So if you are ready to convert complex processes into clear visuals, so let's get started.